Hello, I'm Avery. This is YouTube Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your YouTube channel look less like this and a little more like this. You can see my YouTube channel here has a bunch of different things that you can see. Unlike this other channel, which you pretty much have 6 videos and then nothing else. Looks very barren. So let's go ahead and change that by customizing our channel layout. So what I want to do is go over to the top right, go ahead, click on my profile page and open up YouTube Studio. If you are on your phone, you can get to YouTube Studio just like this. I have a video that you can check out that I'll have pop up as a card, and it will give you a quick description about how to go ahead and get to YouTube Studio from your phone. But getting to YouTube Studio here, what we want to do is go over to Customization tab and go ahead and start customizing our layout. You are automatically going to have short videos and uploads on your YouTube channel to start off with. If you don't have either one of these, so if I remove this section and I remove this section and then I was to publish and view the channel, you'll see that this says that you don't have any videos, but you do got videos. So let's go ahead and add some sections back. You can see right above that on Video Spotlight, I can add a channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed yet. Basically, a trailer will be talking about what the channel is and why they should subscribe to the channel. And if you don't want to do that, you can just put a video there. And then you can have a featured video for returning subscribers. So usually I would just have both a different video for people who haven't subscribed yet and then one for returning subscribers. Let's go ahead and add something for people who have not subscribed yet. Let's go ahead and start with this video right here, Contra Death Montage. And let's go ahead and add a featured video for returning subscribers. Well, I wanted to find the actual video with all those deaths. So I got my channel trailer and now I got my video for returning subscribers. So let's go ahead and start adding some sections here. So you can see we got quite a few. We got uploads, popular uploads, short videos, lives, past live streams, upcoming live streams. And then we got playlists. So what I would like to do, all of these are going to show up as multiple videos. It'll go by the most recent videos that you have added either to the playlist or the most recent videos that you added to uploads. Popular uploads is different because that's going to be the highest amount of views going to the lowest amount of views. So yeah, let's go ahead and go with uploads, bring that back. Let's also go with a single playlist. You can see right here, I have a few playlists, but one of the biggest playlists I want to do, go ahead with the death montage. I'm going to have that above uploads. And now I want to add another playlist. Let's go ahead and add some let's plays right there. Once again, I'm going to put uploads at the bottom. So now I got 2 right here. Oh, I got 3 rather. Let's go ahead and make a multiple playlist. And we're going to have Resident Evil. We're going to have Smash Brothers and game discussions. Let's go ahead and do that. And let's just go ahead and make a title for this section. And I'm just going to put my personal favorites. And we're going to have that as the section. I'll add one more just because. We're going to do it like that. You can see at the bottom that I didn't talk about was channels. One, you can add subscriptions. That is the people you have subscribed to if you want to, show some love on your own channel. And then you have feature channels. So, maybe you got some friends that also are on YouTube, or you want to collaborate with somebody so y'all can both have each other featured on your channel. Do something like that. You can easily see that. Go into the section title. You can go ahead and just put, something like featured channels, and then go ahead and look for any channel on YouTube from here. If you want to add subscriptions, then it will just pop up. You can see right here that subscriptions say 0. That is because I have my subscriptions as private. Going over here to this menu right here, you can see that removes the section. And really that's all you need to learn as far as getting more content on your channel's layout. If I wanted to add, for example, I want to add a banner, what I'll do is go to branding and then go to the banner upload image. So then I can go ahead and then find an image that I would need to upload. Once you select something, they'll tell you exactly how it's going to look on all devices, on desktop and on TV. So that being said, I'm going to press done. And I can go ahead and see the change. I can change it again, or I can remove it, or I can just go to layout. Let's go back to the layout. I got a few past live streams, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that down at the bottom. And now I'm gonna go ahead up here to publish. And now I'm going to wait for it to be done. Changes published, and I can go to view channel. All right, and now I am done. I can see that I have a featured video right here. My def montage at the top, personal favorites right here, let's plays, some videos that have been uploaded, some past live streams. I am good to go. No more blank channel homepage. And with that being said, I've showed you everything I wanted to show you today. So hopefully this information was useful to you. If it was useful, why don't you go ahead and press the like button so other people know that this was a good video to watch, as well as, hey, if you are interested in learning more about YouTube from me, you should go ahead and press the subscribe button as well. I'll have more videos coming very soon. Thanks for watching.